Is your beard curly? When you get out of the shower and dry off your beard, have you noticed that your beard hairs curl in? Well, I'm gonna show you guys a quick, easy fix how to handle that problem. Let's go. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Scott Barnes with Volt Life Proof Grooming, and I want to shed a little bit of light on a great subject where a lot of people struggle and how to handle that curliness that comes with your beard. Now, if you're new to the beard growing game, yes, the beard can curl right back into its skin, and it's because the natural beard hair is a little bit different from your head hair. And if you want, go ahead and check out that video here that we posted on Volt a little while ago. But essentially, when your beard grows out, there's actually no direction for it to go. It actually naturally curls into the skin, and we need to fix that problem. And I want to show you guys a quick and easy fix to handle that problem. Now, the best time to handle this is when your beard is short and learning its memory as you're growing it out. So since I am growing my beard out, finally, you're gonna need 3 things to get this process really solidified, pun intended. So we're gonna use Volt Beard Oil Lube, and we're gonna go ahead and apply about 2 or 3 drops into our beard. Go into the shower, get a hot shower, scrub up your beard, get your hair all done, ready to go. And then I want you to dry your beard to about 90%. And then when you're ready to go, pull out some beard oil and go ahead and give yourself about 2 or 3 drops. Because our beards are so small, we're just gonna go ahead and apply it down and around our beard. Now the next 2 things we're gonna need are gonna be a hairdryer and a curling brush or a rolling brush. This is really gonna help. I do like the boar bristle brush, but sometimes I do feel there comes a little bit of static electricity. And with that, we're gonna take our hairdryer, we're gonna put it on low, and we're gonna go low and slow with our barrel brush. And we're just going to roll the brush into the direction we want our beard to grow. And the nice thing is, yes, you can do this with a short beard, as you can already see the difference, how one side is nice and neat compared to the other. So we'll just continue as we're rolling on the heat. And yeah, it's pretty simple. So to finish everything off, what I like to do is once again go over, and then I'm gonna take my hand and I'm gonna lay it down with my hand. So the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna follow it with my hand, because I got a little excess oil with it from putting it on. This is gonna go help and make everything lay and stay. And this is a great practice for you as you're growing your beard out, and your beard's going to actually start training that way. Because I want to talk about another subject of, does your beard remember its memory from growing it out? And once everything is finished, like I said, go ahead and take your hands, pull everything down, make everything nice and neat. And if you got a little bit over, just go ahead and put it into your arms, into your neck, and then you kind of got a nice cologne smell. And these are little things you can do as you're growing out your beard to keep everything nice and neat, because that's what I like to do, and that's what you should do, in my opinion, is as you're growing out your beard, that's gonna give you more motivation, and it's gonna give you less motivation to cut it, because that's the #1 reason why all beards fail, is because you cut it, and we don't want that. We want you to succeed, we want you to grow, and this is a great way for you guys to just have that enticement and that love and that energy for your beard as you're growing it out, and everything looks great. So like always, you guys, like and subscribe. Check out the next video that we're gonna come up here with Volt, and like always, I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.